Hello guys, today I am with Moto G8 Plus and Huawei P30 Pro, and I want to show you how to move data between two Android devices. So for the first, you have to download the app you are going to use. I did it and I highly recommend the application named CLONEit. So just open on the both devices. And now very important is to turn off the Wi-Fi. And now just choose from which you will be sent. So I will send from the Huawei and receive on the G8 Plus. Press on the search again. And now we have to wait until our G8 Plus found the Huawei P30 Pro. Okay, and here it is. So press on the Android share, and now we have to input the password. Password you can find here. Okay, and now press on the connect. Accept the request on the Huawei, and now you can choose whatever you want. So for example, contacts, photos, music, but of course I won't take all of them because it will take just too long. So I go for the details and go for the photos. And for example, I will choose 6 screenshots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and press on the start. Okay. And it's finished. So now if we go to our files, we have to find the screenshots we sent from the Huawei. So there are files. Camera, there's not here, screenshots. And as you can see, here are our screenshots sent from the Huawei P30 Pro to Moto G8 Plus. So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you do, leave thumbs ups, subscriptions, and of course likes. Likes are thumbs ups. So comments below. Comments, subscriptions, and likes. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.